Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, Ogwa, thank you. See you there. I cite you here. Please share this video a little bit because yeah, thank you all, thank you brothers and sisters. On a good evening. All my Edo State people, on a good evening. I better try share this video because time not today again because this time around na time to plan and time to do something. You know, na time to put left for ground. Now we dey so now. This time not be time to do the talk again. Na time to do things, make things happen. Na time to check wetin you go fit do, wey you fit take your street, only your street. Come on, do street to street right now, cause this is the new idea. Let everybody do it street to street. Just only organize only your street, you know, because now these days, may I tell you, this our whole politicians, they get every plan on ground already, and not be today they get this plan. They get this plan for a long time ago. Now they get this plan. This plan how to scatter us, how to cricket Nigeria, how to put Nigeria in for wheelchair. Na long plan, you understand? And we will be saying, man, thank God now say we did digital era. Now we need to take them over because why? Whether they plan that plan, they're not there, they're not store around. They not get where they store and put King of Bass, respect, Baba. I hey bro, respect. May they give you chance. Who don't know you, I don't know you. Worldwide. So my brothers and sisters, so time don reach wey be say man, we will take do something, we will take that state back from this evil people hand. We will take that Edo State because why I so much believe say man, if Edo State fit take am, the rest people go follow up because na the act na be that one. We are talking about the heartbeat. So and my people, I try get down today. I try get down since 3-4 days ago. I get down to the grassroots of the APAC in the Edo State. I see that yes, there is something going on there, but there is something still disturbing it. So that is, they don't have social media power to pick it up for people to know them. So it is painful when we see our information apps are giving us fake information in Nigeria. It's painful. Our information apps are giving us rubbish. They are giving us what they like, not what the people want to hear, not what the people want to see and develop the people. No, they only give us what they package, what they edit. So for that simple reason, we all have to know that these people in Nigeria right now, most of the states, to take your state back, they are very sick of publicity. So they are very sick of publicity because I know during my state, I try to call the state chairman, I try to have a contact. Yeah. As well to the local government or local government, you know, those contact that I try to know what is the problem. I see the I fish out something, you know. Edo State get state chairman. A local government get chairman, get coordinator. So different zone, different local government for Edo State, they get every coordinator. But the problem of those things, why you know they move far, be say the funding is not going well there because right now, right there, they need publicity. And to give them publicity right now, we in Edo State need to join us together to give these people publicity. Because when we are talking of this thing, how to take Nigeria back, we are just trying to take it back and give to them. Not we in Europe, we that know in Nigeria, not we will not do Nigeria, now they get the benefit, now we want to get the main benefit. The main benefit now the people who did the grant. And these people, now the people will be say that they feed them manipulate. You understand? If that make you imagine the way they spoil, the way they kill democracy reach for Nigeria. Information house, nothing they come out from information house, from the news, from the people, from the newspaper. Just only one thing that they tell us. You understand? If you watch all the papers, all the newspaper, and I want they don't kill am to the extent we be say man, even we wey be say man, no even dey the country, even they kill us, they join am. You understand my people? They kill us, they join am. Not be say the thing that they kill am, say they always they affect them, say they affect us here. And for we to make sure say man, we do something right, we do something different for this time we dey so. Now for we to try, make we start to dey organize this thing, house to house, even self. You understand? For Edo State probably. Because right now, right there, Edo State, we need to tell you anything wey be say may dey go on for inside Edo State. AAC I go dey bring am come out for you every evening, and I go dey put on the coordinator online so that make we dey talk to them, make dem dey tell us wetin dey happen. You understand? Because right now they don't even have electricity to even first of all start doing these things. People wey dey Lagos dey get electricity, they even dey get electricity pass people wey dey Benin. You understand? People wey dey Lagos even dey pass good roads pass people wey dey Benin. Na so e dey be. Na everlasting thing. Na so e dey be. Na only change we go change am. Na only for we to take this government back. Abeg Edo State, because to take this government to pursue this APC and PDP is a very serious task for us, because e don take wey dem dey focus up for that state. E don take wey dem dey rubbish us for that state. E don take wey dem dey carry different name dey give us for that state. You understand? So that state, e don take wey dem dey humiliate us. E don take na. E don take. So they give us the badness saying that we be the highest prostitute. They give us the badness saying that we be the highest someone. They give us the badness saying that we be the highest pure abia. I don't know. They give us different name. You understand? But we, yeah, sorry, network. So this time around, I beg my brothers and sisters, Corey, welcome. My brothers and sisters, I beg, make we join us together. Make we think how we want to fit stop all this unnecessary killing for Edo State. Make we think of government wey go fit stop things, wey go fit make things happen, wey go make our children get sense, wey go make our children dey do things in normal, wey go make our children dey feel say yes, they follow up. You understand my point? So I beg my people, we know say man for sure say all these boys wey dey kill themselves, so we know they are people. These things they come small. Now e come take big reach like this, just because of bad leader, just because of bad structures wey our old papa or old mama put for ground. Now make all these things come dey happen. So all these killings, we need to get good leader wey go fit stop am, wey go fit know wetin dey, wey go fit know how to stop these things, wey know where the problem for start. So that's why we need to take, because these old men, so they know where for start, but they don't know how to solve. Every way they know how to solve am, they no go solve am, because if they solve am, they no go get any benefit from there. Every election time, people they die for my state. Every election time, youth they die for state. Every time, every single election, wey they do since 99, this period youth must they die. So I beg my people, make we focus on how wetin we go fit do. We fit say man, we fit make this thing happen for Edo State. We be say man, yes. Even though the whole state say they no want to take am back, say they go really know say this Edo State people wey be say man, they dey so they really serious and they take am back. Make we do another thing wey another state no fit even do for Nigeria to tell them say we be the heartbeat of Nigeria. You understand? Let's do another straight thing. Let's do another straight thing. Wey be say man, they go shock. Say only Edo State no vote for PDP and APC, which means they really know wetin dey happen. They really know wetin dey, and they really know they really make difference. You understand, my people? Please, don't because of anybody to tell yourself that this Nigeria government, you are not tired of them. Don't because of anybody to tell yourself lie. You know, it didn't worth it. I can't because of anybody to tell myself lie. I have to tell myself the truth. I am tired of this government, and if you are tired as I am tired of this government, just please do something different. I'm talking to my Edo State people now. Do something different. From Meshan, from Aunshi, from anywhere you are from Edo, just try. Do something different. If you need every number you want to get, very soon I will be calling the organizers, the coordinator of different zones, different local governments in Edo. So you guys will be talking to him from here, discussing and telling you guys the problem and what is going on, you know, for we to know that things is going on, you know, underground. Things is going on well, you know. Just give me 1 minute. So the only thing that I know I discovered, because today I make a lot of calls since yesterday till this morning. I tell you before, I called a lot of people, the coordinator, the state coordinator, the local government coordinator, this, that. I called different people just to know what is the problem there. Why AAC is not taking ground there. Why people are still saying I don't know AAC in Edo State. You understand? So I discovered something. There is no publicity on them. So please, if you are watching me, you can get to Oshowore. Tell Oshowore you should look straight to Edo State right now. what is happening there, why the people are not moving, because those guys are ready to work. I talk to all of them, they are ready to work, they are ready to do everything, and they are still trying to do their best. Both home and abroad, they are still trying to do their best. So we have to support them because we know the problem they have there, man, in that Nigeria, mostly that Edo State. We know the problem. So to know the problem, we were there here where they feel say, man, we know the problem, I beg. May we join us together. May we take am back from these people hand. May we take our school back. Now they beg for. Make we take our education, make we take our hospital back. Now they beg for. Make we take our good road back. Now they beg for. Make we take our electricity back. Now they beg for. Very easy. This thing not be fight. This thing na to just call your people, let them know what's up. Tell these people say, wanna go visit my street. Call the coordinator wey dey your area. Try to locate the coordinator wey dey your area. Try to check out who be the coordinator wey dey your area. Just call am, wanna go visit my street. Abeg, wanna carry AC go my street. Give them banner, give them poster. Just do anything wey you fit do. Just stay mobilize, men enter your whole street. You understand? Because this campaign na still go be na street to street. Make we try, make we join hands together. Make we join hands together, make we try. If you fit gather people for your street, if you fit still control your John way, say may you send people call see am, just send them go. And the matter be that. You understand? Because we ready, we want to take this thing back. If you just call anybody for your area, we know say na no give or na waiting. You see control men, call the coordinator. I don't organize my street. See go and go meet them. Make we do this thing. Make we do this thing with force. Make we prove say man, even though the whole state no gree, Edo State gree to take am back, so that make we do another different thing wey people never fit do before. Make we try, make we do another different thing, make we break record for Nigeria. Because na there we dey go the success where we dey go. Because we dey climb. Nobody go stop us down to take Nigeria back. So to take brothers and sisters, not be by fight, not be by gun. You understand? If you really know, say all these boys wey dey kill themselves, so say their matter dey pain you for heart, try make you do something more different. Make you try, not let anybody discourage you. Say time still dey come where all this government go do something good. E no dey again, no time. They no fit do something good again. They don try their best. This one na their best. If we no do this generational revolution, e no dey pause. Hello. Yeah. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Bad network. I get some bad network here. No stress. So organize your street by yourself. Call your people for your street. Call them, say, man, I want to talk to the Ojo way, I want to talk to this one, I want to talk to the body, test the way they, where they take charge of your street. Call them, tell them, say, man, make your people there. Call tomorrow evening we'll release all the coordinator number. So anyone wey dey for your zone, collect the number, call am, tell am say, man, make go meet people for your street. You understand? Just do it, even though na 20 poster or 30 poster, do am for your street. You understand? Make we try, make we do this thing with our hand, make we do this thing with our power. You understand? So all those things na humanitarian things, because this is the time to give to Nigeria general. This is not the time to give to one person. This is the time to just to give to Nigeria general. Give to your state general. Just unleash something to your state. It will not be to orphanage or to one building. Just organize your street. Just call your John way, call your ballet, call anybody for your street. Tell them, say, AC, one call greet una. Then you look for the coordinator number. Call and say, I'm gonna go my street. I'm gonna go see them. You understand? I'm gonna tell them, say, I'm missing you come. That's where they be. Do poster, even though na 20 for only your street, even though na 10 for only your street. Do this thing, more it be like film. Maybe like wetin be say, man. This Edo for peace. God. Yeah. True. So my people, not be say me na the to do am na be the problem. You understand? And to just get mind say you dey do am for nothing. You understand? Anything wey you dey do, just dey do am for just dey do am say me the way you dey do am for orphanage, because Nigeria now they are under orphanage right now. You understand? So we all those one wey dey donate give orphanage na still good thing, but this is the time to sow for the country. This is the time if you have gained from that country at all, this is the time for you to release to the country willingly. This is the time for you to have passion for the country, for the state. You understand? I'm talking to people like them, my bros Kabaka, Kolisubo, or other comrades. If you guys have gained from the state, this is the time for you to willingly say, okay, let's just leave these people. Let's take this thing back. Just willingly. Forget about what you are going to get. Forget about what you are going to eat, because you have made it already. The state has blessed you already. Now you have to just willingly give it up to the state. You know, if you know you love there, you come from there, you are proud of Edo State, please, this is the time for you to willingly give it up. Let's not try this old man anymore. Let's not try them anymore, please. We can't try them. We can't continue to try them. This is how we try PDP for 16 years. They give us 66,000 rubbish. Look at AAC, APC. We are just trying them now. We are still going to try them for more 4 years. They give us already 4,000 rubbish already for the 4 years. Okay, now I want to try them again to give us another 8,000 rubbish. If we try them again, they give us another 16,000 rubbish. They are full of rubbish. You understand? They don't have something good. They don't have something good. They don't have nothing upstairs to offer to you Nigerians. It's just a fact. So we just like to just not take the whole matter go far, you know, because right now the way things are happening in my state, I don't really like it. You know, for the first of all, for you not to have a good security, that people are still killing themselves in my state every day. The boys, youth of future of tomorrow are killing themselves today. It make me go crazy. So I just need to say, Edo State, man or woman, anybody who need the betterment of Edo State, let's please do something imaginable that Nigeria, even the whole world will be shocked. That how come only Edo State decided, you know, they will know that we are ready. We are ready to clean our state. Anytime we speak, they will know that Umaeko Gbanedo. You know say Umaeko Gbanedo, woman down. You know say Umaeko Gbanedo. No. Umadan Ko Gbanedo. Umadan. Ume civilian now you go correct. That's what they be. Every good thing na hand of God. Now they make and they good. No understand. Now better they do one. Now God they deliver everybody. But God go deliver Nigeria. Because that country, God purposely create that country. Hey, Doris D, all the way from Beijing. Hey, Smarto, I sight you from above. Na so they be. You know, sometimes we just say you shower, no guy they be. You understand? So we just did Doris D. Yeah, that was my mama. Clear for you. Who don't know you, and I know sabi you. Na time. So I beg you all, please, if you dare those states, organize your street. If you dare out of Nigeria, call your people for your street. Call the coordinator of AC, may go see them. You understand? Organize them by yourself. Print 20 posters for your street. Print 10 posters for your street. Print 5 posters for your street. You understand? Just give your junior brother money. Print AAC poster. Go man. You understand? Send them, make them go meet them. Mo do this thing, mo do it for their hand, the way they will bar. Then they do see and buy. Which one be see and buy? If they make me a verse, me go still tell them say me no level. Anybody wey is vote 100 euro. You see I will take a letter. 100 euro if you vote for AAC, just show me AAC 100 euro. They'll pay 100 euro. If you go let them pay money with the thief, if they pay, they will go do so blow now. They will give them willingly based on our own. If they mean now to take them back like that. But right now Nigeria not they go that level again. You understand? Our people don't even understand. But the killing must stop. If the killing not fit stop, because na lack of security, na make all those killing they happen. If better security dey, all those killing not fit dey happen. All those our youth they kill themselves, don't feel they kill themselves. You understand? It dey very boring, it dey very bad. So they say nowadays, children see they carry gun, they kill themselves unnecessarily because they no security. If they don't have to dodge, if they don't have to waka, if they arrest them, one godfather call bail them. That's why they be. But that godfather we will stop him. That's why you be for Nigeria. We try to stop him. I beg, organize your streets. And they preach now, organize your street. And from tomorrow I go they bring the local government chairman. every evening like this, I go dey bring the heart of my platform, I go dey ask them question. They go dey feed you now, they tell you how everything dey waka. So if you come for that local government, e go drop a number for you. If you want do anything for that local government, call am. You understand? Even though you no send down money, send down materials. You can say if you send down 20 t-shirt, if you send down 10 t-shirt, if you send down poster, if you give her anything, make poster dey your street. If all of us wey dey Europe here, we really be really good people, we really want take Nigeria back, we print 20 poster for our street. My brother, the next morning those things go be AAC. Na so you reach. You understand? We dey here for the publicity, no stress. We dey here. It will take am back. Anything wey you wan know about Edo State right now, if you just call me now, I'll let you know what's up. Because I dey try to get to the right now, to the root. You understand? Na so e all be. Na the matter. We just dey try to do the best underground. Wey be say everything go take better. You understand? Today I feel I get love. I get time say me yes. I have to say today, me I just donate. Me I just run things from yesterday night reach today. Now for know wetin dey happen for that state. That state need publicity, and we can do the publicity well more than anybody. Just print 10 poster for your house, use am gum your house, use 10 poster for your street, give your friend 5 poster, you know, make we paint the state now. Now hope they can be asking how we paint my guy. We paint an AAC, we were dey Europe. The way they say we be Europe, say we dey support in Europe, say we no fit get anything support, say we no fit call vote, but we go tell them say we fit change am. We fit change am. Na technology, you know, guy be. Just print 10 poster put for your street. Make sure say 10 poster dey your street, 20 poster dey everybody wey dey Europe. All the Edo people, all the good Edo people wey me dey see so, all these beautiful Edo people wey me dey see so, all these fine people, all these godly people, all these people wey no dey find trouble, wey be say they go carry wahala give, wey me I dey see so. If they fit do am now, wetin be 20 poster? How much e dey take? 5,000 naira, you don do 20 poster. Put am for your street. Just do am. Everybody go wake up one morning, they'll pass the poster full everywhere. Na so e dey be. Before you know wetin dey happen, people go dey discuss am. So, but which kind poster be this? Which kind poster be this? Which kind poster be this? AAC, na new party, na new party. Before you know wetin dey happen, my guy, don't go dey. Na we be publicity now. No pray make we do publicity. If we do publicity for obituary, the man no go even wan go heaven because he go pass the publicity, go even wan keep am alive. You understand? So we go do publicity for AAC, go work, and we go pick am back. Abeg. If you want try Buhari, no try am. E no go wetin you want to do. Na that 16,000 rubbish wey PDP give us, na Buhari go still give us in another 20 years. If we give Buhari 20 years to rule Nigeria, e go give us 20,000 problem. If you give PDP, we give PDP 16, they give us 16,000 wahala. Na so e all be. Those two companies no fit rule us again. Those two companies, they no be parties. God, those two people, they are companies. This is now they build party. If you are talking of building party, AAC is building party. AAC is building party without Godfather. AAC is building party where everybody can hide and hold it and take it once and for all and keep it for. So my people, they call me, they disturb me. So abeg, make we try, make we do this thing once and for all. You understand? Make we try, make we take this thing back once and for all. They are lacking publicity in Edo State, and we can do the publicity. We can print a poster in our house. Organize your streets now. It's time we have to start doing something different so that they will know we dey Europe, we dey see another brand new thing. You know, let's give them another brand new car. Those two companies, they can't take us anywhere, okay? So I love you guys. One love. Take good care of yourself, Edo people. Let's take it back. It's a success. Preach game and love.